Are you tired of using the same old prompts for your AI images? Are you looking for ways to make your AI images stand out? In this video, I'm going to blow your mind with 12 of the most powerful and unexpected prompt tricks, saving the best for last. Known only by the experts, these prompts will assist you in producing jaw-dropping AI images. Get ready to utilize the full potential of AI image generation. Unlock the power of creative AI images with Style Fusion. I've spoken about Style Fusion. If you don't know this prompting trick, you are really missing out. With this technique, we combine different artistic styles to create unique and stunning results. Add names of artists and artistic styles to your prompts, and let the AI fuse the diverse styles together. Imagine Michelangelo meets anime or Rococo goes steampunk. Some styles fuse together better than others, so it's worth experimenting to see what works. When it works, it really works. One of my favorite tricks is to randomly choose 3 artists and see how the AI blends them. The best photos have the best lighting, and that is no coincidence. Here's a beautiful image of a cat created in Midjourney, but what if we add some magic lighting prompts to make it even better? Use words such as dramatic, volumetric, cinematic, or studio lighting. A secret prompt trick that I've picked up is chiaroscuro, which is a lighting effect that creates deep shadows. Experiment with different lighting effects such as neon, bioluminescent, and holographic to elevate your photos. Lighting enhancements give your photos that wow factor. You can try these additional lighting prompts. Do you want to add additional detail in your lighting photos? Just ask, but don't ask for detailed images. Ask for insanely detailed, extremely detailed, or super detailed. Adjectives matter. Intricately detailed and hyper detailed add more than just fur to your cat. Prompting for high resolution in your images won't give you more pixels, but it might give you more detail or change the look completely. If you're not describing texture, you're missing out on a powerful descriptor. And if describing the texture is too challenging, then use a picture of a texture. Textures can be found for free on several picture websites such as Pixabay. The pattern and colors of these images will be detected by the AI. Not all images have to be photos. You can use unconventional images such as a screenshot of a sound wave. There's more to beauty than just being in the eye of the beholder. The word beautiful can make a huge difference in how the AI renders your images. It can smoothen everything out, and it draws your attention to certain features, like pretty eyes, a cute face, or even nice hands. Beauty removes blemishes and sometimes will fix flawed features such as hands. It doesn't always work, but when it does, it can create magic. You're familiar with steampunk, cyberpunk, and punk music, but you can punk anything. It gives your image a certain attitude. Desert punk, organic punk, kitten punk, anything that comes to mind. The style's aesthetic can range anywhere from super colorful to dystopian steampunk. As we're combining words, let's have some fun and experiment with juxtaposition. Not just opposing subjects though. Try mixing conflicting lighting, atmosphere, even backgrounds. The AI's attempt to merge the contradicting data gives us the most creative outcome. Do you want images with an unexpected twist? Simply enter a few random characters and numbers and watch the magic. It's okay to use a few misspelled words or random punctuation marks. This can lead to some truly unique outcomes. As long as you're happy with the outcome, don't worry about trying to figure out how you got the image. In keeping with this, make up incoherent words or phrases for your prompts. Nonsense words are words like this, but have no meaning. The AI may try to find meaning in the gibberish with an unexpected effect. Or prompt absurd phrases such as lines from an Edgar Allan Poe poem. Forget the text completely. The real fun is in the emoji-to-text. Yes, I bet you weren't expecting that one. AI can interpret emojis as well. Instead of typing up the description, simply navigate to the emoji icon on the far right message bar and scroll through the available options. The artificial intelligence will treat the emojis as if they were text and create an image for you. And finally, we made it to the end. At number 1, we have Magnific.AI, the most advanced AI tech to achieve instantly high-res upscaling. Not only upscale, enhance. Magnific can hallucinate and reimagine as many details as you wish, guided by your own prompt and parameters. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Till next time.